Hey everybody, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. I appreciate everybody subscribing and coming in here once a week and looking at to see what I've got. Um, I've got a tool actually this week, a little Proto quarter-inch ratchet that I've tore apart and cleaned. Hey, jumping in on Scout Crafter's flag challenge. There's the one that's out in front of my house. It flies every day, so I'm proud of it. Proud to be from the United States. To me, it's the greatest country in the world, just hands down. And I'm just glad I was born here. Hey, and I have another one that's lit up. That's on the back. My house, the pasture borders a highway, and at night I have one that lights up on the end of. It's a little run-in barn for Montana Super Pony, my little pony I got, and where he gets out of the weather. It's on the back there. I'll slip a picture of that in here as well. And other than that, hey, I hope y'all doing well, and y'all enjoy the video, and y'all have a good one. Thank y'all.